Hi everyone, this is the Visual Studio. Whenever if you want to log in into the Visual Studio, just remember that you have to log in as an administrator. Okay. In Visual Studio, we have a menus like File menu, View, Project, Dynamics 365, etc. And if you click on a menu, we'll have few options like New, Open, or Source Controller, Recent Files, Recent Project. If we go for a new option, we'll able to see the new project. If we want to create a new project, we can create from here, or if we want to open a project or solution or website, we can open from here. And just coming to close solution, we can close this solution. And also coming to the recent files and recent projects and solutions, if you have done recently, or whatever customizations if you have done recently, it will show in recent files or recent projects and solutions. And just go for a view solution explorer, application explorer, team explorer, etc. If we click on solution explorer, view solution explorer, the solution will be viewed here. Okay. And other one is application explorer. Just click on application explorer. You will able to see the two views, that is the model view and classic view. I have already told in the earlier session. Okay, just click on right click, just model view. All the models will be appear here, and just click on AOT, right click, and just click in this is the classic view. AOT means application object tree. Okay. And one of the most important menu is the Dynamics 365 menu. Here we can create models or refresh or update the models here. I will tell you in the coming sessions about the creation of models and refresh, update, etc. And build models. This is also I'll tell you in the future sessions. Synchronize database. We can synchronize database here. I will create a sample project today. Project. Yeah. New project. Okay. So if you want to create a new project, in the left side Dynamics 365, and here we have to click finance and operations and give the project name. If you want to give the name, like for example, if we are creating project for a number sequence, okay, it's a number sequence project, for example, rm underscore number sequence, and click on OK. The new project will be created and it will be shown in the solution explorer. See here, rm underscore number sequence. Okay, new project is created. This is how we can create a project in Visual Studio. Okay, thank you.